So we've discussed homeowners package and what to look for when you're buying a home. And now that we have the home, what other type of insurance should a person or homeowner consider buying after they purchase their home, Andy?
Well, you got to remember, you just made the biggest investment, right, you ever did. But a home policy just covers the structure, right? You got to think about the family. What do you got that covers the family? And one of the best ways that we can try to is actually through mortgage protection. We offer a mortgage protection policy that if anything were to happen to you, right, the house actually gets paid off for the family. And I mean, it can even be designated where it doesn't even have to pay off the whole mortgage. It just gives that family, because what you gotta always think about, right, is sadly in SoCal, it takes two incomes, right, to make ends meet. So you always gotta think about it. You have kids, we both work. What if tomorrow we lose one of those incomes? How would the family be left financially? And that's where, you know, the mortgage protection or even like a term policy, right, kicks in and helps the family.
I have a question. Sometimes we sell homes to people that only one person buys the home. So let's say the wife is not on the loan, only the husband is on the loan. So in this case, say the wife goes out, she gets a job, she's not on the loan, can she still get the insurance?
She can still get the insurance, but I think that's an area you gotta want to see a living trust attorney, because knowing that she's not on title, if anything happens to her husband, the house, you know, she will have to face a probate sale.
So in terms of, okay, so I'm saying, what if the husband and the wife both have, they're both working, but only, like I said, only the husband's working.
Oh, I got
He's only the one paying the mortgage.
You still want to have life insurance on the spouse, and the reason being, right, is that man that's working, how is he going to be mentally if tomorrow he loses his spouse? How would he be able to continue? Is he still going to be able to show up to work the next day and work normal? Typically it doesn't. You need a period of grievance, and unfortunately employers, you know, can't fully help you out there. So that's why it's important to also have a term policy on that spouse, so that, hey, tomorrow something happens, you at least have the right to kind of take a step back and grieve.
So Andy, so you're recommending that both have insurance?
Correct, especially term is so inexpensive. I mean, it's not only the most important policy we offer, it's actually the most inexpensive.
Right. And up to what age can people still qualify for good insurance?
Well, obviously, life insurance is determined based off your health and age. So the healthier you are and the earlier it is, the better. But obviously, there's no limit to age.
That's good to know.
There's solutions for everyone.
I thought there was a limit.
Yeah, no, there's solutions.
It's good to know. Okay.
It just gets very expensive the older you get.
Yeah, it's gonna get, well, now you've developed some diseases, right?
Exactly.
Okay, well, thank you very much.